In November 2016, the European Centre for Normalization changed the EN 388 standard, defining the performance levels for gloves, giving protection from mechanical risks. This was needed as the standard was over 14 years old. Since that time, glove materials have changed and require new test methods with more consistent results. How do I read the new markings? The first letter A indicates the abrasion resistance on a scale from 1 to 4. This test has now been improved by using a new, reliable and standardized abrasive paper. The second letter B indicates the score of the cut performance using the Coupe test and is indicated on a scale from 1 to 5. If an X would appear here on an Ansell glove, it means that we have chosen to indicate that dulling of the blades occurred during the test. Letter C indicates tear resistance, and letter D indicates puncture resistance. Letter E, the new fifth indicator, is new and indicates the cut performance according to the EN ISO cut test method. This is mandatory and will be the reference for cut performance should a dulling effect on the Coupe test occur. The new EN ISO cut test is rated from A to F, with F being the highest level of cut resistance. The last letter, which is F, is used for impact protection. If the glove has impact protection, a P will appear if the glove has passed the new impact test. If there is no code, it means the glove failed the test or the test was not relevant. In general, if an X should appear somewhere, this means the specific performance was not tested or is not applicable for this glove. Why is this important for you? Having a good understanding of these EN levels is important to ensure you are compliant and select the right glove and level of protection for required jobs. In summary, the new performance ratings are more detailed and reflect improvements to the test methods that will ultimately ensure full protection for workers. All new mechanical resistant glove products distributed for the EU markets that require certification to the EN standards must be certified to this new standard. Ansell will continue to keep you informed on regulatory matters to ensure your teams are protected by choosing the right glove for the job. For further information and more details, please visit our Regulatory Education Centre at ansell.com/EN Resource Centre.